Hi, I'm Jim Alexander, Applications Engineering Manager for Samtec. I'm here at the IMS 2025 show at the Samtec booth. Nitrowave is Samtec's highly stable, low-loss, flexible microwave cable. It's very recognizable by the distinctive Samtec orange FEP jacket, and it's available in frequencies from 32 to 110 gigahertz. Our dynamic performance layer improves the durability and stability of the cable by eliminating friction between shielding and augmenting its strength. This results in more accurate, dependable performance throughout the service life of the cable, even when subjected to consistent movement and bending. You'll be able to find some of the Nitrowave cables being used at demos around the IMS show. Let's take a quick walk around and we'll go look at some of the demos. Here we are at the booth for Menlo Microwave, and they are showing some Nitrowave cables hooked up to test equipment where they're heating up the device and showing the performance at high temperature. Here we see some Nitrowave cables being used in a Rohde & Schwarz over-the-air test system. It's testing a phased array module from Kyocera. In this demo, we're looking at a bunch of Nitrowave cables that are being used in a phased array, a beamformer from Otava, and into a switch box and a network analyzer from Rohde & Schwarz. Also at the Rohde & Schwarz booth, we have another demo using the LL43 cable that's hooked up to a high power amplifier doing a component measurement into the Rohde & Schwarz network analyzer. Here we are in the Copper Mountain Technologies booth. We're looking at LL43 cables that we made specifically for their network analyzer to 18 gigahertz. So at the QWED booth, we have Nitrowave cables, the LL71, being used with Rohde & Schwarz network analyzers into the devices that they manufacture that measure dielectric and material properties. Here we are at the Richardson RFPD booth. We've got some of the Nitrowave cables hooked up in a basic demo showing broadband performance. Here we are again at Menlo Micro, and they're showing, again, the Nitrowave cables hooked up in a loopback, and they've got an eye diagram on the screen with great performance. To learn more about Nitrowave, just go to samtec.com/Nitrowave or email us at the rfgroup@samtec.com. I'm Jim Alexander. Thanks for watching.